Simple game. 4
weeks, 10 history units to review, 28 short videos to help us prepare. Then we take the final exam.
And you really think we can do this?
We're going to do it.
In the early 1200s, John, son of King Henry II, became King of England. He was, to say the least, not the best king England ever had. In fact, many people were shocked he'd even gotten the chance to become king. Buckle up, everyone. It's gonna be a bumpy ride with King John at the reins. By 1215, it had gotten so bad, the leading men of the town had had enough. They prepared a list of demands known as the Magna Carta, which is Latin for Great Charter. It laid out rules for what the king could and could not do to nobles, freemen, and the Roman Catholic Church. The barons said they would go to war against John if he did not accept the document. Do not test us! You want to go to war with us? We'll go to war. When he saw he could not defeat the barons, John agreed to meet their demands. This new agreement between people and king became known as the Magna Carta. Why is it so important? Because it helped establish a very important principle called the rule of law. So who cares about that? Rule of law means everyone, including kings, have to obey the laws. Before Magna Carta, a king could do whatever he wanted, charge outrageous taxes, put people in jail for no reasons, even take away personal property. Like my Xbox? After Magna Carta, that started to change. Even a few ideas in our own United States Constitution can be traced directly to Magna Carta. Wow. Thanks, Magna Carta! King John's grandson, Edward I, learned from John's mistakes. Instead of forcing people to pay taxes, Edward decided to try something different. He called together representatives from throughout his kingdom. He hoped to win their support in raising money for his projects. In 1295, the model parliament met in London. It included representatives who were elected. It has become known as the model parliament because every parliament in England since then has been based on that one. Over the years, Parliament's power grew. In the 1300s, Parliament divided into two houses. The representatives from towns and cities formed their own section that became known as the House of Commons. The nobles became the House of Lords. This is similar to what we learned in our unit on the U.S. Constitution. Our legislative branch of government in America also contains two houses, the Senate and the House of Representatives.